Yeah, sounds. Sounds are great to listen to because no matter how quiet it gets, there's always some sound around that you can hear. Like if we were to stop right now and just listen, let's see what we can hear. Hey, do you hear that? Yeah, that's a drip from the faucet in the kitchen. Okay, let's listen some more. Oh, do you hear that? Yeah, you know that sound. Right, it's a bird. Oh, I love that sound. Oh, wait. Do you hear that? It's breathing. It's you. Yeah, that's the sound you make all the time, even when it's quiet. Yeah, because we're always breathing. I just love listening to sounds. Listen up, there's a bell, there's a roar, woo! There's a yell, that's a duck, that's a snore. There's some feet on the floor that quack, that roar, that rumbly snore. The clang of the bell and the feet on the floor. Wonderful sounds on the street, in the air, when you're walking around. And if you're listening up to what's going down, you can hear in your ear all the wonderful sounds. Listen up, there's a knock, there's a squeak, there's a squawk, that's a horn, that's a cat, there's a pop. What was that? That cat, that knock, that squeak, that squawk. The music when you sing and the words when you talk. Wonderful sounds on the street, in the air, when you're walking around. And if you're listening up